Hello everyone, look what we have here today. We have a beauty. It's the 675 SR-R. A small disclaimer before I start to talk about this motorcycle. I'm not working for CFMOTO, I'm not paid by CFMOTO, and I have no benefits by making this video. I'm not trying to sell this motorcycle or any motorcycle from CFMOTO. I am only giving my honest opinion as a motorcycle enthusiast. I like motorcycles. I'm gonna show you a little around and give you my first impression about the look of this motorcycle. We're not gonna discuss too much about the specs of this motorcycle because you can find the specs online. There are plenty of places where you can find the specs of this motorcycle. What I want to show you more, it's rather the materials, the build, the details, and my opinion of the first look. Right next to it I have the 800K that you already know. To have an idea about the size, the difference between them, even this is the sport version and it's a 3-cylinder naked version as well. I don't have it in this moment. I only have the 675 SR version, and I put it right next to the 800K. When I'm gonna have available the naked version, I'm gonna put them the same, and I'm gonna show you how it feels one next to each other. Here we have the quick shifter. You can see the quick shifter. The materials, if you are familiar with the 450 materials, you're gonna understand as well very fast what beautiful materials they used for the 675 as well. The 5-inch TFT display. Steering damper, it's here up. I have it on the 800K, it's under here, if you see. Very nice materials. I don't like this label here. I would remove it, but everything else looks so neat and clear. This material is the same as here, and this material from here goes all the way back this time until the tail, the short tail. Very nice. Let's hear little the sounds. Plastic, but very high quality plastics. Those plastics here. This is the gas tank. It's metal. This is plastic, but it gives you a very nice premium impression. My opinion is that is a very premium looking motorcycle. Very premium and very aggressive look. Front signals there on the mirrors, very beautiful. What to say, I love it. It looks very premium, very neat and clear. Let's sit a little on it to see how it feels. Yeah, let's see the seat first, and let's compare it to the premium quality. Seems to be resistant material. This is a leather imitation up here, and this, it's some something softer. Premium seat. The back is not for two riders anyway. If you take a sport motorcycle, you're not gonna take it for two riders, you're gonna take it for yourself, but just in case you're traveling a little with another person, you have it here. The tail light, it's a line. I cannot show you from this position. Maybe we're gonna show you a little later. Nice, neat and clear. Premium look, beautiful. Exactly what you would expect from a sport motorcycle. I'm not a big fan of sport motorcycles, but it looks nice. Very beautiful. And if you are wondering if it's gonna be resistant, check my videos. Look how many I have this one for 1 year. I had another free before. The engine from my motorcycle, it's already 5-7 years old since they released the 800MT first time. It's not a new engine. You are not experimenting. So if you're gonna buy this one, you should not be afraid if it's a good engine or not. The display shows you average life consumption, left gas, temperature, gear, and battery voltage. To see little the menu. Alright, theme, device connection, information, brightness. I'm just language, system update, about, reset, back, traction control, ESS activation, quick shifter. Alright, the menu is not very complicated. You have a lot of information. It seems you have the tire pressure information as well, if you can see. Now it's neutral. Let's turn it a little on to show you start.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
If you are wondering if the materials are good on a motorcycle from CFMOTO, yes, they are good. Look how the 800K goes after 1 year. Like this is gonna be this one as well. So if you are wondering if you should take it, if you like sport motorcycles, definitely it's a go. Aggressive, beautiful, technology, TFT, steering damper, comfortable, quality materials, Stage 1, disc in the back, double 320 in front, adjustable front and back suspensions. It's a go. It's a go. It looks very, very beautiful. It's a beautiful motorcycle. And the color, I love the colors. The Modena 40 design, they are doing a great job. They wrote CFMOTO here on the back. Nice. Let's look little to show you here. Quick shifter, engine, forks. Beautiful, huh? Very beautiful looking motorcycle. Premium look. Alright, this was my first look around of the 675SR. I hope you like it. If you cannot decide if you should buy one of those motorcycles, I can tell you it looks very premium, very aggressive, beautiful design, premium looking materials, high quality brakes, J1 calipers that I experimented on the 800K and 415K that I had before. If you're wondering the build quality is gonna resist in time, yes, look, this is the 800AK after 1 year. It is impeccable. Watch my videos and you're gonna see the materials are high resistant materials. I love it, it looks very beautiful. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Ooh, ooh.